Hi guys, welcome to another video from Affordable Parts. In this video we're going to talk about a pretty wicked awesome product. We pretty much reinvented the wheel, I like to say, and stay tuned because I'm going to tell you all about it. So what we did is we got the original wheel, we looked at it, we saw what we liked and what we didn't like. One of the things we didn't like was inconsistency in the sidewall and the thickness and the density of it. So we got that fixed. What we also didn't like was this one was made from used rubber and it was stitched. So whenever you had an issue, a lot of the times it was by the stitch and where you had inconsistent sidewalls, right? So our redesigned brand new tire is a little different than the original. We made this one with brand new rubber and an injected mold process. In doing this, we allowed for consistent sidewall and thickness throughout the whole tire, as well as we put this puppy on a split rim. When we do that, now you can separate the rim from the rubber in the future, or you can replace it to a different profile as we come out with new products. This is a 4.5 by 16 tire. It's perfect from the back of your drill. We have lots in stock in Saskatoon or Ponoka, Alberta, and give the boys a call. We'll do our best to help you out, as well as anything else you need for your drills. Air seater hose, tips, bearings, you name it, we'll get it in for you guys. See you out in the field.
Affordable parts, keeping us on track. From plows to the tires, they've got my back. In this farming life, they're the ones I trust. When the harvest calls, they deliver, it's a must.